Is it actually possible to save $100,000 while earning half that a year? Yes, it is. I did it on a $50,000 salary, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I achieved it. It all starts with meticulous tracking. You need to know where every single penny is going every month without fail. Cutting back on expenses like dining out is key. Meal prepping isn't just a trend, it's a massive wealth builder over time. Think about your commute. Walking or biking instead of driving can save you thousands in gas and maintenance every single year. But saving alone isn't enough. You have to make your money work for you through smart and consistent long-term investing. Saying no to impulsive purchases today means saying yes to financial freedom tomorrow. Discipline is your greatest asset on this journey. Consistency over time creates a mountain of wealth. It is not about how much you make, but how much you keep. The journey to your first 100,000 starts with a single dollar and a plan. Start your financial journey today.